Hello, I am Palak Shukla and you are watching Agri Business News. Let's start with the latest updates. Rallis India, a subsidiary of Tata Chemicals, is planning to enhance manufacturing capacities as well as building a new integrated research development center. In addition, they are in the process of launching new products. Its chairman Bhaskar Bhatt said Rallis is embarking on a journey of transformation with several initiatives such as enhancing manufacturing capacities, building a new integrated research and development center, launching new products, enhancing brand visibility and leveraging digital media along with the introduction of various relevant applications to support business processes. Krishi Jagran launched its new initiative microsite of Coromandel International Limited along with a webinar on digital empowerment of farmers. Senior General Manager and Head Expert of Coromandel, Mr. Satish Tiwari, shared his views.
And as you know, we are knowing each other. We are having collaboration with Krishi Jagran from a longer period. So once Dominic has shared this idea, so we thought of we will be the first company to collaborate for this microsite, where currently 2 lakh farmers daily will visit this site and they will have fair idea about our products. They are new products, focused product, and the best practices. And further, if they have any query, then this site will take them to our Gromor Suraksha Facebook page where they can have questions and everything. So whole idea is to reach out to the farmers.
Dr. R.S. Kuril, Vice Chancellor, Institute of Horticulture Technology, who was one of the key speakers to the webinar, shared his insight.
Can make through our digital platform, the farmers can be aware, can be created, they can be given training, awareness campaign can be started. We can start number of programs through Chopal or through video or through audio conceptualized with this Krishi Jagran and agriculture world, and along with by collaboration with number of other institutions, organizations. As I have been told that approximately 2 lakhs farmers are connected with our digital platform created by our Krishi Jagran.
Kisan Craft Limited Agriculture Equipment Maker expects to commission its Rs 75 crore manufacturing unit in Nerode, Andhra Pradesh by this year. They are scheduled to begin manufacturing by mid-August. Raheja Solar Food Processing has partnered with Big Heart, an agri-input e-commerce platform, to enable last-mile delivery of their solar dryers in a box across India. Ecozen enters Philippines with a grand launch of EcoFrost Solar Cold Room. In an official statement, the company has said by introducing innovations at the intersection of clean tech and the Internet of Things, Ecozen solution is disrupting the way perishables are handled across the value chain. Anupam Rasayan Limited is all set to strengthen its export business with new product launches in the European and Japanese markets. The company currently gets about 58% of the Rs 837 crore revenues from exports, which it expects to increase to 60 to 65% in fiscal 2021 to 2022. JK Cement has launched their brand new logo that embodies the organization's vision for the future. The launch took place through a special live virtual event presided over by Dr. Raghavpat Singhania, MD, Mr. Madhav Singhania, MD, and CEO, and Mr. A.K. Sarogi, Director, MD, and CFO. During the launch, the management of the company shared their thinking behind the new corporate identity and also paid tribute to their former MD, late Yadupati Singhania. For more agri updates, keep watching Krishi Jagran. Thank you.